KALM, Kind and Accommodating Learning in Montana Blood Draw Kit. Montana Family to Family has put together medical play kits to help ease worry during medical procedures. Here's what's included in the blood draw kit: a teddy bear, a blood draw book, and a butterfly needle IV play tool. You'll also find 2 slap bracelets, 2 oral syringes, and a dry erase marker, plus a laminated step-by-step blood draw printout. These blood draw kits support young children, youth, and adults with healthcare needs by helping them become more familiar and comfortable with medical experiences by using a play-based approach that is especially beneficial for children with complex medical needs. Kit contents may vary based on availability, and certain items may be substituted or omitted if supplies run out. We make every effort to maintain consistency, but variations between kits may occur. Warning: this kit contains small parts and is a choking hazard, not for children under 3 years. For more information about the KALM Blood Draw Kit, visit umt.edu/family-2-family/KALM or call 406-243-4570. A QR code is also available on screen.